Hey, world travelers. Today, we're tackling the Everest of travel dilemmas, packing for a month without turning your suitcase into a black hole. 1 minute you're stuffing in your favorite hoodie, next you're praying the zipper holds. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. I'm here with practical tips to make packing for a month-long trip enjoyable. We're talking double-duty clothes, non-exploding toiletries, charged gadgets, and comfy extras. This video is ad-friendly, with beats from YouTube Studio, so vibe along while you pack. By the end, you'll pack smarter, not harder, leaving chaos behind. Stick with me, and let's start your adventure with a perfectly packed bag and zero stress. Let's kick off with the MVP of any trip, your clothes. What you pack and how you pack it can make or break your travel experience. The right wardrobe means less stress, more comfort, and more time to enjoy your adventure. Choosing outfits for a weekend is hard enough, let alone 4 weeks. The secret? Pack smart, not more. Overpacking leads to heavy bags, extra baggage fees, and a lot of unnecessary hassle. Focus on versatile pieces you can mix and match, neutrals, basics, and those magical jeans. Think of your clothes as building blocks that can be combined in endless ways, so you're never stuck wearing the same outfit twice. When picking tops and bottoms, ask, can I wear this 3 ways? If yes, it's in. The more combinations you can create, the fewer items you need to bring. Layering is your best friend. Bring a light jacket or cardigan for chilly mornings and rain. A simple layer can take you from a sunny afternoon to a cool evening without missing a beat. Aim for clothes that are easy to wash and quick to dry. This way, you can do a quick rinse in the sink and have fresh clothes ready for the next day, even if you're on the move. Fabrics like merino wool and technical synthetics are clutch. They resist odors, dry fast, and keep you comfortable in a range of temperatures. Perfect for travel. A tiny bottle of travel detergent can work wonders. It lets you wash essentials on the go, so you can pack less and still stay fresh. Consider the climates you'll visit. Layering pieces are essential for diverse weather. A single trip might take you from humid cities to chilly mountains, so plan for flexibility. A packable rain jacket and cozy scarf are lifesavers. They take up almost no space, but can make a huge difference when the weather turns. Shoes. Resist bringing 6 pairs. 2, max 3. Comfy walking shoes, sandals, and maybe a dressy option for nights out. Shoes are bulky, so choose wisely. Wear your bulkiest pair on travel days to save space. This trick frees up room in your bag for other essentials. Undergarments and socks. Don't overpack. Wash on the go. A few pairs are all you need if you're willing to do a quick wash every couple of days. Packing cubes or compression sacks keep everything organized. They help you separate clean from dirty and make it easy to find what you need without digging through your whole bag. Roll, don't fold, to save space and minimize wrinkles. Rolled clothes fit better and stay neater, so you can pack more in less space. Accessories are where you can have fun without taking up space. A few well-chosen extras can change up your look and keep things interesting. A couple of statement pieces can transform your look. Scarves, hats, or bold jewelry add personality to even the simplest outfits. If it's delicate or precious, leave it home. Travel is unpredictable, and it's not worth the risk of losing something irreplaceable. Always pack one emergency outfit in your carry-on. If your checked bag goes missing, you'll be so glad you did. Delays happen, bags get lost. Don't start your adventure in yesterday's sweatpants. A fresh change of clothes can make a world of difference after a long journey. To recap, versatile, layerable, easy to wash, and light on shoes. That's your packing mantra. With these tips, you'll be ready for anything, and your suitcase will thank you. Next, we're diving into travel-sized toiletries and how to avoid those dreaded shampoo explosions. Stay tuned for the ultimate packing hacks. Let's tackle toiletries, the second most stressful part of packing. It's easy to overthink this step, but with a little planning, you can avoid leaks, spills, and last-minute panic. Toiletries are the unsung heroes of travel. Get them right, and your whole trip feels smoother. Ever opened your suitcase to find shampoo everywhere? Me too. It's a classic travel disaster, but totally preventable with the right approach. I've cracked the code on keeping your essentials safe, compact, and TSA approved. It's all about smart choices and a little bit of prep before you zip up your bag. First, travel-sized everything. Those giant bottles can stay home. Travel minis save space, lighten your load, and keep you within airline limits. Use reusable, leak-proof mini bottles for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. They're eco-friendly, and you can refill them, trip after trip. Avoid the mystery hotel soap situation. Your hair will thank you. Bring your own bar or favorite liquid soap to keep your skin happy. For skincare, stick to basics. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, maybe a serum if you love it. Don't bring your entire routine, just the essentials that keep your skin healthy on the go. Multi-use balms handle dry lips, cuticles, and tame flyaways. One tiny tin, endless uses. Perfect for travel. Pack a solid deodorant. Make friends on the road. Solids won't leak and they last longer than sprays or gels. Be ruthless about what you actually use daily. If you don't use it at home, you won't need it on vacation. Focus on essentials. Most places sell toothpaste and razors. Save space by buying bulky or replaceable items at your destination if needed. Toothbrushes. Get a foldable or travel case. It keeps things hygienic and saves space in your bag. Contacts. Bring extras and a small solution bottle. Losing a lens mid-trip is no fun, so always have a backup. Glasses? Pack them in a sturdy case, maybe a backup pair. Scratched or broken glasses can ruin a trip, so be prepared. Ladies, consider eco-friendly period options like menstrual cups or reusable pads. They're compact, reliable, and save you from hunting for supplies abroad. A mini first aid kit with band-aids and painkillers is a lifesaver. Add a few allergy meds or stomach remedies if you're prone to issues. Store liquids in a Ziploc or waterproof pouch. It keeps leaks contained and makes security checks a breeze. Keep your toiletry bag near the top for easy airport access. You'll thank yourself when you're in a rush at security. Don't forget items to feel fresh after a long flight. Face wipes, travel toothbrush, dry shampoo. These little comforts make a huge difference when you land. Sensitive skin? Bring laundry detergent sheets. They're light, mess-free, and perfect for washing clothes in a pinch. Check your hair tools for voltage compatibility. A dual voltage straightener or travel hair dryer can save you from fried electronics. Double-check destination rules on liquids and cosmetics. Some countries are stricter than others, and you don't want to lose your favorite products at security. Some places have stricter regulations. Always check before you fly to avoid surprises. Pack smart and breeze through every checkpoint. A little organization goes a long way toward a stress-free journey. Next, we're diving into tech and chargers to keep you connected. Stay tuned for tips on powering up your adventures. Let's get real. Your phone is basically an extra limb. Keeping devices charged and organized is key for a stress-free trip. Make a list of must-haves: phone, headphones, camera, maybe a tablet, and chargers. Don't pack every gadget. Focus on daily use. Bring a power bank. Nothing ruins a day like a dead phone. Universal adapters are game changers. Different countries, different plugs. Get a compact all-in-one adapter with USB slots. Keep cables tidy with a tech organizer or zippered pouch. If bringing a laptop, ensure you need it. Backup storage, a USB drive or cloud setup saves your photos. Earbuds or headphones are a must for flights and trains. Offline apps, download maps and guides before you go. Airplane mode saves battery on long days. A small extension cord or power strip can be a lifesaver. Keep tech in your carry-on, not checked baggage. It's safer and ready for long layovers. Organized, charged, and ready to explore. Travel like a boss. Next, we're covering important documents you can't leave home without. Forget your favorite shirt? You'll survive. Forget your passport? Game over. Let's ensure your crucial documents are packed, protected, and ready. First, the basics: passport, visas, travel insurance, and entry forms. Double-check expiration dates and entry requirements. Print flight tickets, hotel reservations, and confirmations. Even if on your phone, paper backups are clutch. Travel insurance. Print the policy and emergency numbers. Make digital copies of everything: passport, visas, ID, credit cards. Email them to yourself or save in a secure cloud folder. Keep documents organized in a travel wallet or folder. Credit cards and cash. Bring a mix. Notify your bank about international travel. Stash emergency cash separately. Health documents. Some countries require proof of vaccinations. Print and save them digitally. If traveling with kids, bring extra documentation. Organize a go-to emergency contact list. These documents are your ticket to adventure. Keep them safe, secure, and accessible. Next, we're talking personal comfort items for a happy journey. We've covered the essentials, but now it's time for the cherry on top. Personal comfort items that can truly transform your travel experience from good to great. A little comfort goes a long way when you're far from home, and these small touches can make all the difference in how you feel on the road. Number 1 on the list: a good travel pillow. Whether you're on a plane, train, or staying in a hostel, a supportive pillow can mean the difference between a restless night and waking up refreshed. Choose one that packs down small, but still offers real support for your neck and head. Memory foam or inflatable options are both great for saving space. Next, a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key, especially when you're on the move or in unfamiliar climates. Look for leak-proof, easy-to-clean bottles. Some even come with built-in filters, which are perfect for international travel or outdoor adventures. A mini first aid kit is a must. Stock it with band-aids, painkillers, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications you might need. A lightweight, packable tote bag or day pack is perfect for spontaneous trips, grocery runs, or carrying souvenirs you pick up along the way. If you like to journal, bring a small notebook and pen. It's a great way to capture memories, jot down directions, or sketch the sights you see. A sleep mask and earplugs are game changers for long journeys or noisy hostels, helping you get quality rest wherever you are. Pack a few snacks, nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit. Having something healthy on hand can save you from hunger pangs during delays or long layovers. Hand sanitizer and wipes are must-haves for keeping germs at bay, especially when soap and water aren't available. A mini sewing kit is handy for quick fixes on the go. Think loose buttons, small tears, or even mending a strap in a pinch. A scarf or shawl is a multitasker. Use it as a blanket, pillow, sunshade, or even to dress up an outfit for a night out. Bring something that reminds you of home, a photo, a small charm, or a playlist of your favorite songs. These little reminders can lift your spirits when you're feeling homesick. Travel is about adventure and discovery, but a little comfort from home helps you recharge and feel grounded wherever you are. Next, we're wrapping up with final packing tips to make sure nothing gets left behind. Stay tuned for the grand finale, your ultimate checklist for a smooth departure. You're almost ready for your adventure. Take a deep breath and get excited. Let's make sure you're all set. Safe travels, and may your journey be filled with comfort and joy. And there you have it, your ultimate packing guide for a month-long adventure. Packing for a month is no joke, but with these tips, you're set to take on the world. No more suitcase struggles or last-minute panic. You've got this. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button. It helps this community grow. Plus, you'll never miss another travel tip or adventure story. Let's keep exploring together. Smart packing isn't just about fitting everything in your bag, it's about making space for experiences. Pack light, pack smart, and enjoy every moment of your journey. Safe travels, and I can't wait to see where your next adventure takes you.